Hey students, today we are going to discuss adages. An adage also means something different from what it says. Adages are old sayings that give advice or describe the way things are. An adage does not mean exactly what the word says. If someone says an adage, they are not talking about a literal object. They are using those words to explain and to talk about people. For example, we have an adage birds of a feather flock together. It is an adage. It is not really talk about the birds, it means that people who are alike spend time together. Okay? Since these are old sayings, you can't always guess what they just mean by reading the words. You usually have to listen to how people use them, ask a teacher or a parent what the secret meaning is, and remember them for the next time. Okay? Okay, here we have examples. What is the meaning of jump on the bandwagon? To join others in a car or to do the popular things? Yes, the second one, to do the popular things. And why? Because people jump on when they see everyone else doing something cool or trendy so they don't feel left out. Okay? What is the meaning of join at the hip? With legs together or always together? Yes, always together. Because it describes two people who are such close friends that they are almost never seen apart. Okay? Okay, here we have another activity. Identify the meanings of idioms and adages. Okay. The first one is what is the meaning of go back to the drawing board? The first one to continue working on an art project or to start over from the beginning. Yes, the second one to start over from the beginning. Because when a plane fails, you have to go back to the very first step to try a new idea. Okay, basically they're talking about that when a plan fails you have to go back. Okay, what is the meaning of on someone's case? We have options: nagging someone, on hold, sitting on someone's shelves. Yes, nagging someone. And why? Because this is when someone keeps complaining or telling you what to do over and over again. Okay. What is the meaning of ring a bell? To play an instrument, to be very expensive, to sound familiar. Yes, to sound familiar. Because you say this when you hear a name or a story that you think you have heard before, but you are not 100% sure. Okay? Okay, the next one is what is the meaning of a washed pot never boils? Yes, yes, this one. Time feels longer when you are waiting for something. Because if you stare at a clock waiting for school to end, it feels like it takes forever because you are focusing too much on the wait. Okay? And the next one is what is the meaning of diamond in the rough? Yes, guess please. Yes, option D is correct. A person with hidden potential or ability. Because this is a person who might look ordinary or messy on the outside, but they are actually very talented or special on the inside. Okay?